Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoZone, the place where we power up your driving experience with tools, gadgets, and automotive wisdom. Today, we're talking about one of the most important, powerful, and reliable tools every car owner should have: the heavy-duty hydraulic car jack. Whether you drive a sedan, an SUV, or a light truck, a hydraulic jack is the safest and most efficient way to lift your vehicle. In this video, I'll break down how it works, the different types, which capacity you should buy, safety rules, and the best scenarios where a heavy-duty jack becomes a lifesaver. So let's jump right in. Segment 1. What is a heavy-duty hydraulic car jack? A hydraulic car jack is a mechanical device designed to lift heavy vehicles using hydraulic pressure. Unlike the standard scissor jack that comes with your car, a heavy-duty hydraulic jack can easily lift more weight with less effort. It uses hydraulic fluid and an internal pump system to create pressure, allowing you to lift the car smoothly, safely, and with stability. This makes it ideal for tire changes, brake maintenance, suspension work, and even detailed cleaning under the vehicle. Segment 2. Types of heavy-duty hydraulic jacks. 1. Bottle jack. A bottle jack looks like a small steel cylinder, and it's surprisingly powerful. These jacks range from 2 tons to 50 tons. They're compact, easy to store, and perfect for SUVs, vans, and trucks. The only downside is that the minimum height can be a little tall for low-profile cars. 2. Floor or trolley jack. This is the most popular type you'll see in garages and workshops. A floor jack has wheels and a long handle, making it easy to position under your car. It gives a smooth, fast lift and excellent stability. These usually range from 2 to 3 tons, which is perfect for most sedans and SUVs. 3. Industrial heavy-duty jack. If you're dealing with heavy machinery, large trucks, construction equipment, or big commercial vehicles, you need an industrial hydraulic jack. These can handle 20 to 50 tons or more. They're not meant for everyday users, but are extremely important for professionals. Segment 3. How does a hydraulic jack work? The science behind a hydraulic jack is actually very interesting. It works using Pascal's law, which states that pressure applied to a confined fluid is distributed equally in all directions. Here's a simple explanation. You pump the handle. Hydraulic fluid moves into a larger chamber. Pressure builds and pushes a piston upwards. The piston lifts your car smoothly and safely. This system allows a small amount of human effort to lift a massive weight. That's why hydraulic jacks are incredibly handy and reliable. Segment 4. Why you should use a heavy-duty hydraulic jack. Now, you may ask, why not just use the scissor jack that comes with my car? Well, here's why a heavy-duty hydraulic jack is a much better and safer option. It lifts faster. No endless cranking. It requires less effort. Hydraulic pressure does the work. It's safer and more stable, especially for heavier vehicles. It lasts longer. Built with strong steel and durable seals, it prevents vehicle damage, more control, smoother lift. If you repair your car, go on long road trips, or simply want to ensure safety during emergencies, a heavy-duty jack is a must-have. Segment 5. Choosing the right capacity. One of the most important decisions is choosing the correct tonnage. Here's a simple guide. 2-ton jack. Best for compact cars and sedans. 3-ton jack. Ideal for SUVs, crossovers, and most family cars. 5-ton jack. Suitable for pickup trucks and light commercial vehicles. 10+ ton jack. For heavy trucks and equipment, always pick a jack with at least double your vehicle's weight capacity. For example, if your SUV weighs 2 tons, buy a 3-ton jack for safety. Segment 6. Key features to look for. When shopping for a hydraulic jack, keep these features in mind. 1. Lifting range check both minimum and maximum height. Low sports cars need low-profile jacks. 2. Build quality high-grade steel. Solid construction and rust-resistant coating will make your jack last much longer. 3. Safety valve a must-have feature. It prevents overloading and stops the jack from lifting beyond its capacity. 4. Mobility. For floor jacks, smooth rolling wheels make positioning much easier. 5. Saddle shape. A wide, textured saddle grips the lift point securely. Segment 7. When to use a heavy-duty hydraulic jack. Hydraulic jacks are extremely versatile. Here are the most common uses: changing tires, brake pad or rotor replacement, suspension repairs, oil changes if needed, deep cleaning underneath your car, workshop repairs, emergency road assistance. If you work on your own car, this tool will probably be your best friend. Segment 8. Essential safety tips. Now let's talk about something extremely important: safety. A jack is powerful, but with wrong use, it can be dangerous. So always follow these steps. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. Always use jack stands for stability. Use the vehicle's correct lift points. Check your owner's manual. Park on a flat, solid surface. Avoid soft soil or uneven ground. Engage the handbrake and block the wheels. Do not overload the jack. Inspect for oil leaks or unusual noise before use. Following these rules can prevent serious accidents. Strong finish. A heavy-duty hydraulic car jack isn't just a tool, it's a safety investment. Whether you're a mechanic, a DIY car enthusiast, or an everyday driver, having the right jack gives you power, convenience, and confidence when maintaining your vehicle. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with other drivers, and don't forget to subscribe to AutoZone for more automotive tools, reviews, and car care tips. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, drive smart, and I'll see you in the next video.